Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Overnight Action Report. We're going to take a look at all of the Asian markets and the action that occurred overnight while most of you are sleeping after what was an incredible Super Bowl victory by the Patriots. Well, let's take a look at the action. Japanese Nikkei closed about gaining 0.3%, and the leader really was Yahoo Japan, surging 15.2%, had better than expected earnings. Now, Nippon Electric, as well as Sony Financial Holdings, Fast Retailing, all gaining between 1.6% and 6.4% overnight. We did see that Yamaha was on the downside. It plunged 11.2%. Let's watch that name and see if there is going to be any recourse here in the United States. EWJ is trading at $51.50. We see it having about a 72-cent range, this Japanese ETF, for the remainder of this week. So we'll watch that very closely. In China, the Shanghai Composite did add 0.5% overnight. They did release their January Caxian and Services PMI, Purchasers Managing Index, came in at 53.1%. That's a little bit less than expectations at 53.6%. And this was a disappointing result since it's the first time in basically over 4 months that there was a month-over-month decline in the PMI. Employment and the manufacturing sector declined while the pace of hiring did increase for the services sector in China. Now, taking a look at the Hong Kong's Hang Seng, climbed about 1% over the overnight session. Basically, it was a broad-based move to the upside. Financials ended among the leaders with China Life Insurance, BOC, a Hong Kong Bank, as well as Bank of China, Hang Seng Bank, and HSBC rising between 0.8% and 7.2%. Now, we did see that gaming and casino names did struggle, like Sands, China falling 3.4%, as well as Galaxy Entertainment ending lower by about 0.5%. Now, EWH is trading at 21.01, and we see about a 37-cent range over the next 2 weeks. So the next 2 full trading weeks, we see about a 37-cent range in this $21 ETF that tracks the Hang Seng. Finally, take a look at the India's Sensex. It rose about 0.7% to levels basically that we haven't seen since early October of last year. Now, most of the components have taken part overnight in this move to the upside, but it was really catalyzed by the pharma sector, and specifically Sun Pharma, jumped about 4.2%. We're also seeing ICICI Bank as well as Axis Bank posting pretty decent gains overnight with a 3.2% and a 1.5% pop respectively. We did see HDFC add about 0.2%. We did see some weakness, though, in a name that we've discussed before. Dr. Reddy's Labs lost 1.1%. EPI is trading at 21.43, has a 22-cent range being priced in, a 32-cent range being priced in for the remainder of this week. We're going to see if maybe there's a little volatility that pops in here, especially with the pharma markets moving to the upside. There might be some vol that rears its head here in India. All right, folks, that's it right now for the Overnight Action Report for Asia. Join me here at MarketStream.live at 8:45 Eastern Time for all the action in Europe. See you then.